Here's how to catch the eel in Stardew. The eel has 4 strict requirements that must all be met. The season must be spring or fall, it must be raining, the time must be between 4 p.m. and 2 a.m., and you must fish in the ocean at the beach. If any of these conditions are not met, the eel will not appear in the catch pool regardless of how long you fish. Any fishing rod works except the training rod. Upgrade to the bamboo pole or better as soon as possible. Bait and tackle of any kind are fine. A tip: if you are struggling to get rainy days on demand, craft a rain totem using 1 truffle oil, 1 pine tar, and 1 rain totem from Emily's crafting reward. This guarantees rain the following day and lets you plan your eel fishing session rather than waiting on RNG. Once conditions are met, the eel appears fairly commonly, so you should not need too many casts. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.